This is what I was talking about. You cross
right
you cross creek right here, but it's so high, so wide.
Yeah.
People used to throw logs over and stuff. There is a log, but that would be real dangerous. And this is what I was talking about. You can make a left and go through, but there's so many down trees.
Yeah.
Probably go right up here.
Yeah, right up that way.
And go that way.
Yeah. Yeah, it is like, it's pretty freaking. Yeah, that's probably the way to go. Back through there,
Yeah, I've been through this part before.
I'm going to go back down by the river. You take it easy, guys.
Yeah, you guys have a good one. This is what I was afraid of, coming way up here. Usually there'll be like some logs to go across, but the river is so high that the mountain stream here is coming down. It'd just be too dangerous and it's too wide to kind of jump across. So I'm hoping I can go up this way a little bit and find a place to cross, or I better keep on going. I may have to go back and do what they did. Find a different trail. I don't know if I get through here or not. The problem is there's too many down trees and you can't cross the creek. Once you cross the creek, you go way over there to where I'm pointing, and it just kind of wraps around and you come back to where the bridge is at. Now I can get past these down trees. There's a butterfly right there, but the question is, how far can I go? Before it gets too dangerous. I'm trying to see if I could go a little bit further. Let's see. I was hoping I'd be able to cross that creek. If I had the money, I'd donate money to have them put in a bridge to go across that creek. Yeah, see, both these passages are blocked. There's no way around. Yeah, that tree's in the way. And these trees are right here in the way. And there's no way to get across that creek right there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go back too. That's the problem, is they got so many down trees from the multiple hurricane force winds that we've had. We've had some 104, 108. I think the highest one was 114. And there's so many down trees where the Fish Wildlife Parks and the Bureau of Land Management that control those areas, they can't get to all of them because there's so many down trees and whatnot. I remember coming here in 2018 and it was the same thing back then. You couldn't get across this creek. Because once you get over there, it's just beautiful as all get out. You guys made this far in the video, press that like button, share, drop a comment. More important, subscribe to the channel. More great videos like this where I take you guys to cool, interesting places. but for today I can't get across that creek. So now I'm backtracking. Figure out the game plan when I get back to that bridge that we crossed. Now, if I was in my 20s, I'd just go across the freaking mountain. I'd just go right up there and just go across. But I'm 57. I'm what millennials call old man. Now, I didn't go all the way down. I ran into those two people and we started talking. So I'll come down here and I'll show you where I usually cross. Now, usually I just cross right here. Usually you can get down to where that log's at. Those have overgrown. So yeah, there's no getting past this.